Hello everyone. Our team Go Green has submitted a project in the track Code Green, and we are working on a web application to have a seamless transportation delivery system, which is peer-to-peer. So the concept of going green originated from a deep concern about the damaging effects that conventional package delivery methods have on the environment. Seeing all the trucks and vans driving around our cities and emitting toxic pollutants pushed us to come up with a more sustainable and a friendly approach. Our idea was for a platform that would encourage a sense of social responsibility while utilizing the combined strength of individuals to lessen the carbon footprint. Go Green, empowering sustainable delivery. So as you see on the screen, this is the homepage of the person who is going to add package details that are to be delivered from one location to another. And so the user will come here, log in, and can add whatever package that needs to be delivered. So the pickup address is CSUF, delivery address is, let's say, Denver, and the person can submit it. The package information is added, and so when there's another user who is traveling from CSUF to Denver, in their window you can see the list of available packages that they can take with them. So the onboarding document is the one that we just added right now, and apart from that there are other as well. The user can also put a source and a destination location, so they can choose which packages they want to take with them, and that can be delivered, right? So in this case the user is going to select the package onboarding documents. So when they click on it, pop-up appears. They say, do you want to select this? You select the package. Once the package is selected, it is going to get added in the profile section of the person, and you can see that the pickup is CSUF and the destination is Denver, right? This particular person can take these documents from this pickup to the address. Now before the person leaves, he can change the status of the start journey, package picked and delivered. Let's say for this he has picked up the package. Once the package is picked, he can send a push notification, and the says the package was picked. So the package was picked is sent here, and you can see it was so the message has been received by the agent. So we have used here Fetch.ai agents which communicate with each other, and the message was sent. So let's say that the package was delivered as well. So from the drop down, the person will come here and select the delivered option, and there's another notification system that we have implemented, which is a WhatsApp notification. So they click on it, and once it is clicked, it is going to trigger the Twilio and the WhatsApp notification, and it says the package was delivered. So this particular notification service has been implemented using Twilio. So the other thing that we have implemented is the incentive service, where once the delivery is complete, the person who did the delivery can get some incentives. So for this we have used the Fetch.ai agent force, and a service has been implemented. We have also used the Delta V by Fetch.ai, where we can which is a chat interface where they can come and search for the that particular service. So in this case it is an incentive prediction service. So when you can search for that, it will look for it, and you can see incentive service has been popped up that you have started now. So it says for how many packages do you want to deliver. So let's say I want to deliver 2 packages today. So for 2 packages it's going to ask for the confirmation, and now what it's going to do is going to predict what the incentives that I'm going to get through the agent that is working at the back. So in this case we have for those 2 particular packages to be delivered, we can see the expected incentive is 8 and 6, and now depending upon ours we can make sure that 8 and 6 could be percentages, or it could be anything that is beneficial for the person who delivered. So this is how we have implemented Fetch.ai. We have used Reflex as front end, and we have connected Reflex with Fetch.ai which was quite challenging, and we have achieved that as well. We have implemented the Fetch.ai agent wars and the push notification where communication between agents takes place. We have also implemented the notification update using Twilio. Thank you so much.